Do you know how you became a boy or a girl? Well, I know. There's this thing in your body called chromosomes. Chromosomes are the microscopically tiny twisted threads inside every cell that carry your body's life instructions in chemical form. There are 46 chromosomes in each body cell, but they're in pairs. The 23rd chromosome pair decides what sex you'll be. The 22 of the chromosome pairs are matching, but the 23rd chromosome pair is odd if you are a male. But if all of the chromosomes are matching, if all of the chromosome pairs are matching, that means that it's a girl. Because girls always have, all of them are XX chromosomes all. But for a male, for the last pair, it's a Y and an X chromosome. And here I have a diagram to help better explain chromosomes in females and males. Here is the body cell. As you can see, you can see all of the chromosome pairs, and here you can see the last chromosome pair, which is odd because it has an X and a Y chromosome pair, as shown below. And here, the same, except all of the chromosome pairs are matching, as shown below. If you're a girl, you have an XX chromosome pair. But if you're a boy, you have an XY chromosome pair. Because no matter what, you get an X chromosome pair from your mother. But if you're a girl, you get an X chromosome pair from your father. But if you're a boy, you get a Y chromosome pair from your father. And here you can see the male sperm cell, where there's 23 chromosomes, but not 23 chromosome pairs. And here you can see all of them there's 23 chromosomes, but there's no chromosome pairs, and all of them are matching. But here, the last one is odd, as it's a Y chromosome. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.